So magaling kayo mag-AI, ma'am?
Magaling ako because nalugi ako ng 38 million pesos.
Guess the name of the bag. Magbibigay ako ng 5 bags. Bawat correct answer, meron kang 1,000 discount.
Mag-review kayo. Goyard na pencil, please.
New day, new bag. So, meron tayong another CEO here. Hi, what's your business, ma'am? Ayun agad yung tanong. Hindi, joke lang. So, you're looking for a Chanel bag, ma'am.
Yes. Naghahanap ako ng kapatid ng bag na to.
So, you're doing content din, ma'am?
Yes. Basically, I coach CEOs pagdating sa business nila.
Pwede mo rin kaming i-coach dito.
Oh, medyo marami na kayong revenue dito. I do AI literacy talks.
So, magaling kayo mag-AI, ma'am?
Magaling ako because nalugi ako ng 38 million pesos.
Paano ka nalugi, ma'am, sa AI ng 38 million?
So, backstory, so we have an outsourcing company and we lost 80 employees because our clients from the US called me, sabi nila, they don't need Filipino talents anymore because of the presence of AI. Yung mga SEO specialists, yung mga graphic designers namin, mga digital content, nawalan silang work. Hence, but instead of closing down our business, tinry ko siyang aralin. And I was able to figure out na hindi pala siya pang techie person. It's more of having AI as your ally in your business. Instead of closing it, nag-pivot ako. And nandito pa rin ako. Yun.
Kasi ngayon, di ba, parang majority of the people ang tingin nila sa AI, yun nga, parang enemies. Pero ang tingin ko dyan is parang tools mo lang naman din sila. So yung AI, it's nakadepend pa rin naman sa skills ng human being. So hindi naman yan automatically nire-replace, di ba?
It will help you speed things pagdating sa task mo. Those who failed to use AI will be the ones na medyo mawawalan talaga ng work.
Correct. Kaya ngayon, ma'am, nag-integrate na kami lagi ng AI sa mga videos. Pero nakaka-receive kami ng mga comments na, why are you using AI? Hindi mo ba alam na bad siya sa environment? Di ba? Usapang AI. Pero ngayon, nag-usapang bag naman tayo. This is a timeless tote, ma'am. Ito yung pinalit nila sa GST. So, this is 370,000 pesos. And then, nakita mo yung Chanel Trendy CC. So, mahilig si ma'am sa mga big bags. Kaso ito, ma'am, because of its leather, lambskin, kaya ayaw na to ni ma'am. Oh, Chanel, tabi na natin. Supposedly, ito yung sinasuggest ko talaga, ma'am, tsaka ito. Yung Chanel 19. So, between the two lang dapat yung choices ni ma'am. Pero kakaikot natin, ma'am. Nakita mo yung pink na boy? Kasi sabi mo, branding mo. Obviously, ma'am.
Sobrang ganda nito.
And then, nakita mo rin to. This is a good deal. So, this is a limited edition na Chanel. This is Coco Curve. So, this is 181,000, ma'am.
Kasi hindi lang siya pang work bag. Something that I can use casually. At ang nagogi ay this one.
Ayun na, agad yung final choice.
Oo.
Mabilis mo kausap.
Magagamit ko siya hindi lang sa office. Hindi siya intimidating. And at the same time, wala akong masyadong kamuka.
Flex ko lang din to, ma'am.
Sige.
This is Chanel 19 Large Caramel Color. Tapos ganito lang pala siya, ma'am. Shoulder bag. Ang cute niya.
Oo, no.
Pang travel bag.
Pero sa'yo parang travel bag. Sa akin parang clutch. Anong rating na to, sis?
9 out of 10. Complete siya, ma'am. Dust bag, care booklet, wiper,
Wow.
box, and certificate of authenticity. And this is a limited edition.
Ganda.
ma'am. So this is the final choice.
Yes. Yan na yan. Happy na ako. Tapos mga after 2 weeks
Coco.
nandito ulit ako. So baka naman may discount.
Actually, sis, wala kaming discount here in
Okay.
First Maison. Kasi
Alright.
we give the best price already. Pero ngayon, meron kaming mini-game. Swerte mo, sis. Ikaw ang unang maglalaro sa aming mini-game. So, coaching, guess the name of the bag. Magbibigay ako ng 5 bags.
Okay.
Bawat correct answer, meron kang 1,000 discount.
Oh, wow!
So, kapag nakuha mo yung 5 na correct answers, meron kang
5,000 pieces. Alright.
Chanel,
Si Chanel.
pakilabas ang ating mga bags. Bag number 1. Guess the name of the bag for 1,000
Nako,
discount.
ang hirap naman ito. Ano ba to? Chanel Denim Double Flap?
Karoon na lang ako. 181,000, ma'am.
180 na lang! Napakalaking
Chanel, next.
tulong.
For second bag, guess the name of this bag.
Chanel Mini... Ang credit card. Hindi ko alam, honestly. Ano siya?
Chanel Mini Business Affinity.
Sayang yung 1K Chanel.
Third bag.
Okay.
Yan. Hopefully, ma'am, makuha mo na to.
Sige, sayang 1,000 pesos.
Correct. Guess the name of the bag.
This one, I believe this is Bottega Veneta Judy bag.
Sige, ma'am. I-accept ko yan.
Okay.
Tama na si ma'am. Meron siyang
Yay!
6,000 pesos. 179K na lang yung bag.
Oo.
Fourth bag. Guess the name of this bag.
No way, no way. Tama.
Ang bilis din mo. It's actually Neo Noe.
Neo Noe.
I'll accept your answer. Meron ng 3,000 si ma'am.
Yay! So, pag pumunta kayo dito, alam niyo na. Mag-review kayo.
Fifth bag. Guess the name of this bag.
Goyard na pencil case.
Cute!
Oo, pencil case.
Na may
Diba?
handle.
Oo.
Sayang, ma'am.
Okay lang. Sige.
Sayang, ma'am. Tungtuwa ako sa sagot mo, pero mali. Sorry. This is Goyard Bonbonier. Congratulations,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
You got 3
much.
answers. So, meron kang
3,000 pesos.
Yay!
Yay!
So, the final price now is 178,000
Sana.
pesos na lang. From 181 down to 178. So,
Yay!
you got 3 answers.
Thank you so
So, di
much.
ba, sa'yo na pa-discount natin?
Oo, talagang pinawisan ng ulo ko dito, tsaka yung nose ko. Thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you,
Nag-enjoy
sister.
ako.
Yes, thank you.